Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Salewski. I'm CFO of Ecoligo, a company that offers solar-as-a-service solutions for C&I customers in Sunbelt countries. If you have participated in Ecosummit in recent years, you may have met two of these guys here, Martin and Marcus, the founders of Ecoligo, who founded the company a while ago. This year, they decided to add some additional expertise to their C-level and hired my amazing colleague Svetla Miteva as Chief Marketing Officer and myself as CFO. Now, what problem does Ecoligo solve? For clients in emerging markets, the high cost of energy is their key pain point. They get their energy from the grid, which is expensive and oftentimes unreliable. And we offer a solar system to them that we build on their rooftop, which gives them immediate access to clean and cheap energy. We do this through our own fully financed one-stop shop, where we qualify the engineering to make sure that only highest quality components are used in the system. And we also take care of operations, maintenance, and insurance, so that we can guarantee that the system runs reliably over its entire lifetime. We combine our solar expertise with our own crowd investing platform, where we raise funds for these projects so that our clients do not have any upfront investment when they decide to work with us. When retail investors invest in projects on our side, they, on the one hand, can make a decent return on their investment of 6 to up to 9% per year, and at the same time, they contribute to the fight against climate change. The number of retail investors on our platform is growing strongly, and so is the average investment volume per investor, which we understand as a big sign of trust in our solution. To date, we have raised more than 35 million from our crowd, which allowed us to sign more than 200 projects with more than 100 megawatt peak across the globe. Combined, these projects will account for more than 1.65 million CO2 lifetime savings. We have 3 regional hubs, one in Southeast Asia, one in Africa, and one in Latin America, with our biggest individual markets being Vietnam, Kenya, and Costa Rica. Now, what's our USP? We provide the most flexible solution on the market that really adapts to the requirements and needs of our clients. And we have the lowest cost of capital, because our competition usually relies on institutional funding for projects, which is much more expensive than the interest that we pay to our crowd investors. And last but not least, we have a fully digitalized process that covers the entire value chain, all the way from sales to the operation of the asset, which allows us to scale pretty quickly. We are growing, and to support our growth, we are looking for the right investor to join our journey. We are aiming to raise 10 to 15 million euros towards the end of the year. So in case that's interesting for you, hit me up and let's have a discussion. Thank you.